everybody, I'm Minnie B and welcome to my channel. This is take number 2 for me. I did this section of the video earlier, but I'll be doggone if I know what happened to it. I cannot find that thing. But anywho, instead of wasting any more time, I decided to redo it, reshoot this section of it because there are 3 sections to this video. And I was just wasting too much time and I found myself getting frustrated. And I'm too old to get frustrated. You can't do that. So to say all of that, that was my little intro. So now moving on to why I'm here. Let me start all over. Hello everybody, I'm Annie B, and if you didn't catch it at the beginning, I'm simply Annie B. That is my channel name, and I participate each month in a jewelry making fun collab, where on the 18th of each month at 12 noon we are to publish the things that we make from our colors and challenges that we are given. Now the collab itself is hosted by Delia Design. Delia Design Jewelry and More, aka Miss Deb Hawk. And as always, Miss Hawk, thank you so much for letting me participate in this fun collab because it is fun. It gives you a challenge and it keeps you active and it keeps you committed to doing something that you've committed yourself to. So in saying all of that, now there are other participants in this collab and I will list them, well, I have them listed in my description box down below. So you can hop from one person to the other. I think about 7, 8, or 9 of them. And they are some wonderful designers. They make some beautiful pieces. And I'm always somewhat jealous because I said, my God, I didn't think of that. And it'd be so simple. But yeah, I like going and seeing what other folks make out of the challenges that we are given. Now, for the month of July, I've already checked it off here. Now, the colors that we have is yellow, black, red, and white. And I used all of these, and you'll see that as well. And now for the challenges, for option number 1, we are supposed to make a some type insect theme or jewelry set. So I didn't want to do that. So I didn't do that one. So what I decided to do was the option number 2. Now, in this one, it told us that we can use a material new to us or that we rarely use. Now, I got a bunch of wooden beads, and I've never used, very rare do I use wooden beads. I don't think about them for some reason. But I use them in this particular in this challenge that we have. So I am going to show you the items that I made, and I really have fun. So, and don't forget, at the end of the video, I did a layout of the photographs of the jewelry to give you a better overall shot of it. And yeah, I have fun, and I'm excited about next month as well. So let's get on to it, and let me show you the items that I did make. Hold on just a sec, and hopefully I won't lose this one. Okay, for this month, for the month of July, what I made, and like I said, I used wooden beads. I made a necklace and I made a bracelet. I actually made 2 bracelets, and I'll let you see those later. I used a different type material for that. So what I did was I made this necklace first, and I used the necklace itself is, I got it written down, 21 inches long. And I used some wooden beads that I picked up. You know, I believe I got these from the dollar store. I cannot remember, but I know I didn't get it from Joann because it came in a pack. And these are all the colors that came in that little pack. So these are nice, extremely lightweight, and I will be using these because the color is nice. And they're made really, really well. And they are, like I said, they are extremely lightweight. So I chose the yellow because that was one of the colors that we have in our challenge, the colors. And according to the paper, yellow, got my yellow, I got my black. I didn't do red. Not in this piece, I didn't do red, and I didn't do white. I just used the silver, and I had the silver finding here. So I used a section of chain. Now I used the 49 strand beaded wire. I use this on everything. I don't like that 7 strand beaded wire, and I got a ton of it. And that's when I first started out, and I just don't like it. I don't use it at all. but I use this 49 strand beading wire for all my projects. But back to the piece. 49 beading wire, and I use a crimp cover, and I use wire guardian. To me, it finishes off the piece when you use that. You can want to fold over that crimp, that's fine. And everybody do their own thing. But to me, it just look more finished when you do that. And I use a section of the chain, and I use a closed jump ring. I always use a closed jump ring with all my pieces. And I use a lobster claw for this piece here. And these are just some black beads, just some round black beads that I had in my stash. And I made this necklace. Now, when I finished the necklace, I had some more beads. So I said, why not use, I just ran this bracelet up here. And this is a nice bracelet. And I used a larger size jump ring in here. And of course, I used a closed jump ring as well. And these are some bead caps that I have, just plain generic bead caps. I ordered them from Amazon a long time ago. And I find myself using them quite a bit because they have a hole up there at the top. And it covers. These type beads, they have some large holes in them. See that large hole? And they are not always, they're not evenly open, but that's not a problem. You just get your bead wringer and just, you can open up see that one is not open at all. But, it's not a problem. It's very easy to use because I'm sure it's that little bit of lightweight wood. I can't think of the name of it. Not plywood, but, well, we call it that fake wood. But it's, you can use your bead ring and it's not a problem at all. It just tears open really, really well. So these are the beads that I use. And this is the necklace and the bracelet that I made for this month. Like I said, I made the necklace and I made 2 bracelets. So hang on, let me show you the second bracelet that I made. Okay, what you're looking at now is the second bracelet that I made. Now, with this piece right here, I used all of the colors. It asks us to use, I used the yellow, the black, red, and white. I got them all in here, and I made this piece here. And to me, this is my favorite. I like this, and I use a toggle clasp in here, and I use the gunmetal toggle clasp, and I use the silver crimp. I used the crimp cover, and that just made it pop to me. And these are the little lava beads. Now, I thought these, I don't know, at one part, I don't think these are metal. I don't think they're wooden beads. I buy these from Joann's. And they got, they have all that. Every time I see them and they're on sale, I always buy them because these are cute little beads. Now, I don't know if they're wooden or not. At first, I thought they might have been wooden, but I don't think they are. What I'm going to do after the video, I'm going to go outside and with a hammer and crack it and see if it's wood. But I don't think it's wood. No, I'm not going to do that. This is not wood. I thought they were wooden beads at the beginning, but no, they're not. So I am going to not break my beads up. But yeah, I get these from Joann, and these are nice, very nice. And so when they're on sale, I always pick up a couple of strands of them. So those are the beads that I use. And like I said, I use the lava beads as well. And I created this pattern. And this is nice. And let's see, this is a, this is an 8-inch bracelet right here. And, I used to make them 7-inch, but, people have larger wrists. So I decided I'll just keep this like this. And I'm going to put this in my Etsy shop. Yeah, I said it, Etsy shop. I had to drop that in there. So you can check me out, Simply Yeti B. But yeah, these are the pieces that I made for this month. And I think they turned out really, really nice. So I am pleased. I enjoyed it. Making these, and I'm enjoying the collab, and yeah, I'm having a good time. And these turn out rather nice. I think they're cute, but these they wouldn't be. It is so light. They are very light. Yeah, look at them. They are so cute. Now, I thought about making a pair of earrings, and if I do, I think they'll be your basic hoop earrings or just some plain round silver earrings. So I want the big ones. I don't want the little bitty ones. I want the big silver with the thicker wire on it. And I think it'll go good with this. This would be nice. I don't want to overwhelm the body with all this yellow. This is a bright yellow. So, yep, that is it for Annie. And I think that is all that I have to say. So I did talk about the crimp and the crimp cover. I talked about the jump ring. And I use some, to bring this together, I use some 2mm jump rings here. You can't see it, but those are some tiny little jump rings. I got to get me some more of those. And, well, that is it for me. So I will see you next month. And what is next month's theme? What is it? Let's see what we have to do next month. Next month, oh, it'll be August. My God, can you believe it? Oh, now this is nice. Okay. Okay, I'm sorry. We're not supposed to tell y'all this, but this is nice. You know, I love sapphire. I didn't tell you what beads we're using. Oh, these are nice. Okay, I'm excited about next month. And, well, that is it. Annie B is finished with her collab for this month. Now, don't forget, there are other participants that participates in this collab. And, my God, I'm always blown away at the stuff that they make. Because I always said, dog, I could have made that. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, I like that. Oh, I got to do that one. So go back and check out their channels. All the stuff is beautiful. It's gorgeous. And, well, I will see you next month for the Jewelry Making Fun collab. Or you can check me out on my channel, Simply Annie B. All right, you guys take care. Have a blessed one now. See you later. Bye.